For this video, I headed to Ocala to check out the Brick City Adventure Park. Well, it was another sunny day here in Florida, so I decided to head down to Ocala, Florida to check out the Brick City Adventure Park. Now, this place is kind of a mixed bag. If you use the telephone number on the website for Brick City Adventure Park and schedule a reservation to explore White Cliff Cave, then this place becomes truly special. However, if you're just coming down here for the basic amenities like the playground, the picnic tables, the walking trails, it's a little bit of a letdown. The other highlight for this park is they do have a ropes course, but it's a city-run ropes course, so it's not very impressive. The ropes courses at privately run organizations like your local gym or tourist attractions like Wonderworks in Orlando are just vastly superior. There's a lot more challenges to them. I would definitely not make a long drive for this particular ropes course. As for White Cliff Cave, there are a couple options. They have annual excursions where you have to pay a fee for a 3 to 4 hour long tour. The guided tour that you get by park officials here is a lot shorter, usually like half hour. One bit of warning: if you're claustrophobic, then I don't recommend you going on that cave tour because it's pretty tight down there. So what's the bottom line for Brick City Adventure Park? I think it really comes down to the cave tour. If you can participate in the cave tour and crawl around down there, then I think it's worth it. Keep in mind, you have to make reservations ahead of time by calling the phone number on the website. Otherwise, it's a pretty basic park. If you want to run around the track or kick around a soccer ball on the soccer field, you can do that without reservations, but the rest of the facility is pretty mediocre. It really is the ropes course and the cave that make this place special. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.